Good day, everyone. Welcome to i²-Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually meet mastery. Today, we are going to be looking at another WAEC question under complementary angles. Now, remember the other time we said complementary angles, they are angles that add up to 90 degrees. Yes. Now, under complementary angles, when you have sine theta, is the same thing as cos 90 minus theta. Yes, sine 0 degrees. Yes, sine 0 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees. Sine 2 degrees is equal to cos 88 degrees. Yes, now this is a relationship. Now let's look at this question here. It said, given that sine in bracket x minus 46 degrees is equal to cos 62 degrees, that we should find the value of x. Now, in this case, here is solution. Yes, so this is the same as saying sine x minus 46 degrees is equal to, now this cos 62 degrees is the same as sine 90 minus 62 degrees. Yes, now from this relationship, we say sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So it therefore implies that here sine x minus 46 degrees will be equal to sine, now 90 minus 62 is 28 degrees. So if sine of this angle is equal to sine 28 degrees, it therefore means that x minus 46 is equal to 28. Yes, x minus 46 degrees is equal to 28 degrees. So it therefore means that the value of x will be equal to 28 degrees plus 46 degrees. So here will be x will be equal to 28 plus 46, that's 74 degrees. So that's the value of x. Thank you so much for listening and God bless you.